So in this recording, I'm just going to show you how to embed a YouTube video into your website. So first thing you need to do is go to YouTube. So I've got a video here that I want to embed onto the website. So just go to share at the bottom underneath the video, go to embed, and it gives you this piece of code here. So I'm going to highlight the code, and you can copy it by either going Control and C on your keyboard or right clicking and pressing copy. Then you need to go to Dreamweaver, and now we do need to use the code window for this one. So what I recommend you do is go to split, and you'll see here if I select this row of the table we've added in, you can see the cursor jumps around, so you can see what code relates to different parts of the website. So if I want this row, then it jumps to this one. You can see here the TR is the breadcrumb system, so that means table row, and you can just jump around like that. So I'm going to put it into this table row. So this NBSP and the semicolon, that's basically a space, so we just need to highlight that. So remember, at this point we've already copied our embed code from YouTube. So we just highlight that and then right click, or use Control V for paste. I'm going to right click and press paste. And the reason I've highlighted that beforehand is so that when I paste it in, it just removes the bit I don't need. So it's going to replace this and NBSP semicolon with my new code. So you can see that's happened there. So this code here is what we've just taken from YouTube. So see at the bottom, it'll tell you to refresh, so you just press that. And we'll go back to design at the top, design view. Okay, so we have now got a grey box. So this is representing our video. So we just need to go to preview. It'll ask you to save your changes, just press yes. And you can see here my video has been embedded onto the website. So the other thing that you might need to do is resize that video. So if, for example, your space for the video is only 450 pixels wide, you might want this video to be 400 pixels wide, for example. Now, when you're changing the dimensions of a video, it's really important that you have a think about aspect ratio. So I'm not going to go into what that is on this video, but feel free to have a look at it if you're interested. So what we need to do is just go back to our split screen, and you can see here it's got a width of 560 and a height of 315. So we need to calculate our new aspect ratio based on the size of column or whatever that we've got. So if we go back to Chrome, now I've just gone for a website called calculateaspectratio.com, so nice and straightforward. And I know from Dreamweaver that we have a width of 560 at the moment, and you can see it's calculated 315 as the height for the aspect ratio calculation. So you can see here 315 is already what's being input. So we want our width to be 400 because that's the space we have in pixels available. So we know the height needs to be 225. So if I go back to Dreamweaver, then all I need to do is click into our code, update the width to 400, and update the height to the recommended figure from the calculator, so it's 225. And then again, just press refresh, and you can see now, if we go back to design, that is giving us a smaller window for our YouTube video. So if I then go to preview, again, it will ask you to save changes. You can see we've got a smaller YouTube video. So that's a way to resize it as well, just to make it work on your website. But yeah, that is how you embed a YouTube video.